Running through the table with the electrons, counting valence, you know how it goes. Pray I complete the octet rule. 8 valence electrons on my shell. All trends can be explained by Zeph. That is the effective nuclear charge. As you go left to right, this increases. This is what you call a period. But when you go down that periodic table, that's when the shielding of valence electrons comes in. This is also the increased distance. As you move from the center of the nucleus, let's move to atomic radius. Move to atomic radius. When you go down a column, it increases as you go down. But when you go left to right, that's where it decreases. That's called a period. On this table, dang, that was a lot of suit taken. I'm talking periodic trends. I was running through the table with the electrons.
Electrons don't want none unless you got shields. Ionization across the nation took the table by storm. The energy necessary to move electrons from a neutral atom, which then becomes an ion. This energy increases going across the row. Now that's insane, insane. Group 1 alkaline metals, yes they have the least. With 1 valence electron, this is plain to see. With maximum valence in group 18. That's noble gases. But by the way, affinity defines the change in energy of a neutral atom in a gaseous phase. Knowledge negativity measures of ability. Metals like to gain them and metals like to lose them. A measure of attraction between electrons in action. Affinity increases as electrons are added to each orbital.
Chemistry project. I hope Miss Boy gives me 100. Chemistry project. I hope Miss Boy gives me 100. These are periodic trends. Cations are smaller than their neutral atoms because there is a higher effective nuclear charge. At the same time, the anions are large compared to their neutral atoms. That's smart because there's more electron repulsion by far. Here's another trend. You get more metallic as you go to the bottom of a specific group. Move to the right and you get less metallic too. The more metallic you are, the higher the melting point is true. My final trend is now. Metals get more reactive as you go down. You need to give it your all because you don't want Miss Boy to frown. Now metals get more reactive as you go up. Chemistry is easy, you just have to show up. Chemistry project. I hope Miss Boy gives me 100. Chemistry project. I hope Miss Boy gives me 100.
As you go down the group radar increases. This is explained by Zeph. This is explained by Zeph. This is explained by Zeph. As you go left to right radar, it increases. This is from the shielding. This is from the shielding. This is from the shielding. Now that you know these trends, you can get out there and go. This is how Zeph goes. You take the number of protons from an element minus the number of non-valence electrons, and that is the Zeph charge. Now, you know how Zeph goes. I might just start telling you about a scientist named Randal, E group element. By the masses. Gang came muzzily. He found the protons and changed the P table. My do muzzily. Determine the number of element protons from bouncing actions on metal targets or not according to atomic number. the physical and chemical properties of elements and functions of their increasing atomic numbers. Yeah, this is the monoperiodic law. I was running through the table with my ease. With my ease.